Well, hey guys. Just thought I'd say hi and tell you what we're doing today. At the moment, me and Bo are going downtown to do a few little jobs. Well, me. I'm gonna get you.
Go wish wish Poppy a happy birthday. And Daddy's pulling funny faces at you. Are you gonna smile at him? No? And hopefully Grandad's gonna make Nana. No, I'm not Nana. Hopefully Grandad is gonna make Mummy some chestnuts because she doesn't know how to cook them. But I think Mummy needs a coffee. Are you gonna get me a coffee? Yeah, you are.
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
I don't know if the screen's on here. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
You turned it away from me.
I know. Okay, you can look back at yourself. Look. What's that? Oh. Oh. What's that? It's another baby. He is finally given in. So we are not going to wake him. We're going to go see the dogs instead if I can get past the pram.
If the team decide to go anyway, that's it for the team now. Blue or the mixture.
Beautiful.
Hello.
In today's market.
Just emailing you.
Alright.
Probably won't be.
Hello. Poppy. Is it your birthday? Oh, her birthday's today. What day is it? Tuesday. It's her birthday today.
Oh, Poppy, darling, man, happy return.
Did he forget?
I did.
He forgot. Let's go outside. Oh, birthday girl. Yes.
You've got a kiss out.
Oh, lovely.
How was it?
Alright.
Still recording?
Yes.
Recording my dog. Aren't you? Why, you poor little dog.
Got my chestnuts. Still waiting on my coffee. Looks like you need one too. What you doing? Are you happy, girl? What you doing? Where's Poppy? Where's the birthday girl? No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. No. And I can hear her coming. Hello. Sit. You're gonna knock the drink over. Sit, Poppy. Poppy, sit. Yeah, we know why they're behaving. This is why they're behaving. Yeah. Sit. I am not sharing chestnuts with you. No. You're not gonna do it now, are you? You're gonna eat that. Did you pull that off? Yeah. You're a strong boy. What you doing? Oh! What you doing? Hello. You a happy boy? Are you a happy boy? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're making bubbles. Yes, you are. You're making bubbles. Are you trying to eat the daddy? What are you doing? You grab your toe then. You grab your toe. Oh dear. Hello. Hello. So we thought we'd have a nice leisurely ride out to Ikea, only to get stuck in congestion. Yay. Are you enjoying driving? Yeah, you look like you're having the time of your life. Is this your first time at Ikea? Or you just had food? So you shouldn't need feeding when we're in there. It should be as good as gold. Are we gonna get ready then? Are we gonna go buy some stuff for Daddy's kitchen? For your kitchen? Aww. Right, let's get ready then. This is what he thinks to Ikea.
He's like, I'm all about the book.
Yeah. Happy. See? He's maybe going to do interior design.
Maybe.